Most rotary hammers claim power, but struggle the moment you hit real concrete. Weak impact force, overheating, and slow drilling can turn a simple job into a frustrating mess. So we tested multiple rotary hammers to find the ones that actually deliver serious power without slowing down or breaking under pressure. Stay until the end for our number one pick. It drilled through tough concrete effortlessly and maintained consistent performance under heavy use. So, let's get started. Starting at number 5 is the ENIACRO heavy-duty rotary hammer drill, a solid entry-level option for homeowners and DIY users who need reliable power without spending too much. This rotary hammer drill features a high-performance motor with strong impact energy, making it capable of drilling through concrete, brick, and masonry with ease. It's a great upgrade from a standard hammer drill, especially for tougher jobs. One of its standout features is the 4-function mode system, which includes drilling, hammer drilling, chiseling, and chisel adjustment. This versatility allows you to use it for a wide range of tasks, from drilling holes to light demolition work. It also comes with an SDS-Plus chuck system, making bit changes quick and secure without requiring extra tools. Another advantage is its anti-vibration design, which helps reduce fatigue during extended use, something that's especially important when working on heavy-duty surfaces. However, compared to higher-end models, it may not offer the same level of durability or long-term performance for professional use. Still, if you're looking for a budget-friendly rotary hammer drill with strong performance and multiple functions, the ENIACRO is a great starting point and earns the number 5 spot. Coming in at number 4 is the SDS-Plus lightweight rotary hammer drill, a compact and user-friendly option designed for lighter duty tasks and beginners. This rotary hammer drill stands out for its lightweight and ergonomic design, making it easy to handle for extended periods. That's a big advantage if you're working overhead or in tight spaces. Despite its smaller size, it still delivers solid performance for drilling into concrete and masonry, making it suitable for basic home improvement projects. It also features multiple working modes, including drilling and hammer drilling, giving you flexibility for different tasks. Another benefit is its variable speed control, allowing for better precision when working on delicate surfaces or starting holes. Because of its lighter build, it produces less fatigue compared to heavier models, which is ideal for DIY users. However, it's not designed for heavy-duty or continuous professional use, especially on thick concrete or large-scale projects. If you need a lightweight rotary hammer drill for occasional use, small projects, and easy handling, this is a practical option that earns the number 4 position. Taking the number 3 spot is the Makita HR2641-R rotary hammer, a well-known and reliable option that balances performance, durability, and comfort. Makita has a strong reputation for building high-quality tools, and this rotary hammer drill is no exception. It features a powerful motor with efficient impact energy, allowing it to handle a variety of drilling and chiseling tasks. One of its key strengths is its advanced anti-vibration technology, which significantly reduces user fatigue. This makes it more comfortable to use for longer periods compared to entry-level models. It also includes a 3-mode operation system: rotation only, hammering with rotation, and hammer only mode, giving you flexibility for different applications. The SDS-Plus chuck system ensures quick and secure bit changes, improving workflow efficiency. Another advantage is its durable construction, making it suitable for both serious DIY users and light professional work. Compared to cheaper models, this rotary hammer drill offers better reliability and smoother performance, especially during extended use. While it may not be the most powerful option on the list, it delivers consistent results and excellent build quality. If you want a trusted mid-range rotary hammer drill with durability and comfort, the Makita HR2641-R earns the number 3 spot. At number 2 is the DEWALT SDS Rotary Hammer Drill, a powerful and professional grade tool designed for demanding construction and renovation tasks. This rotary hammer drill is built with a high-performance motor and strong impact energy, making it capable of drilling through tough concrete and masonry quickly and efficiently. One of its standout features is its D-handle design, which provides better control and stability, especially when working on heavy-duty applications. It also includes multiple operation modes, allowing you to switch between drilling, hammer drilling and chiseling, making it a versatile tool for various job sites. Another major advantage is its durability and build quality, which is typical of DEWALT tools. It's designed to withstand tough working conditions and frequent use. The tool also features a vibration control system, helping reduce strain during extended operation. Compared to mid-range models, this rotary hammer drill offers more power, better control and longer-lasting performance, making it ideal for professionals. The only downside is that it's heavier and may be overkill for light DIY tasks. If you need a high-performance rotary hammer drill for serious work, the DEWALT SDS model is an excellent choice and earns the number 2 spot. Taking the number 1 spot is the Bosch 11255 VSR Bulldog Extreme Rotary Hammer, one of the most trusted and best performing tools in its category. This rotary hammer drill is known for its exceptional power, reliability and long-term durability, making it a favourite among professionals. It features a high-impact energy system, allowing it to drill through concrete, brick and stone with impressive speed and efficiency. One of its biggest strengths is its consistent performance, even under heavy use. This makes it ideal for demanding construction and renovation projects. It also includes a 3-mode selector, allowing you to switch between drilling, hammer drilling and chiseling with ease. The SDS-Plus chuck system ensures quick bit changes, improving productivity on the job. Another standout feature is its ergonomic design and vibration control, which helps reduce fatigue and improve handling during long work sessions. Compared to other models, this rotary hammer drill offers the best balance of power, durability and user comfort. While it may come at a slightly higher price, the performance and reliability make it worth the investment. If you want the best rotary hammer drill for both professional and heavy-duty use, the Bosch Bulldog Extreme easily takes the number 1 spot.